Assalamu alaikum students, I am your science teacher and today we will start our online study session week 1. Okay, we will start from unit number 1, the brain and nerves. As you all know that the control center of the body is brain. It is located inside the head at the top of the spinal cord and it looks like large pinkish grey walnut. It feels soft, squishy and has many folds and creases and it is protected by skull. Now there are cells that make up the brain. These cells are called nerve cells or neurons. There are 100 billion nerve cells that make up the brain. Nerve cells link together to control all the activities. Moving towards parts of the brain, the major parts of the brain are cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Medulla is also called brainstem. The function of every part is very specified. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and it controls voluntary actions. It also enables to remember things. Cerebellum is located below the cerebrum and above the medulla. It controls the balance and movements of the muscles and joints. And now, lowest part of the brain is called medulla or brainstem. It controls involuntary actions. It keeps working when rest of the brain is sleeping. There are thread-like structures that are present in our body. These are called nerves. They connect every part of the body to the brain. They are made up of nerve cells. Moving towards types of nerves. There are two types of nerves. Sensory nerves. They carry signals from sense organs to the brain or spinal cord. And motor nerves carry signals from brain or spinal cord to the muscles and glands. Now what is nervous system? The brain, spinal cord and the nerves form a communication network. This communication network is called nervous system. It controls all the actions and movements in the body. There are some actions which are not in our control. They are called reflex actions. The actions where you do not stop to think are called reflex actions. They are involuntary actions. These are controlled by spinal cord. Sense organs. There are 5 senses which humans use. The eyes help us to see and the nerve which send messages from eyes to the brain is optic nerve. You can see the structure of eye in the picture. The nose helps us to breathe. It detects the chemicals in the air. The ear helps to hear the sounds and the sound vibrations pass on to the inner ear where the nerves carry the messages to the brain. The structure of ear is briefly explained in the picture. And the tongue helps to identify the chemicals in food. There are taste buds present on the tongue that send signals to the brain. The skin is intact layer which covers the body. It enables us to feel heat, cold, pain, pressure and touch. The skin has thousands of receptor cells which send signals to the brain. Now students, you have to read the chapter carefully from book and answer the following questions. You will answer these questions on your neat copies. For more understanding, you can watch videos on YouTube. The references are given here.